Hey folks, Casey Dimon here, TaxSaleAcademy.com. Today we're talking about buying tax sale lists. Just last week I received a question from an investor about whether or not they should purchase one of these tax sale lists. What happens is there are companies out there that compile a list of tax sale auctions and the tax sale properties. Some of these companies even include calendars and other pertinent information such as property size, addresses, that kind of stuff. They're very similar to the lists that have been provided for a long time about foreclosure auctions like bank foreclosures, but in reference to tax sales in this situation. In a nutshell, these companies take information that is public record. They compile it into an easy to read format, and possibly they add other information which is also public record typically. Now, they can be a good starting point, and they can put everything into one easy to locate website. In theory, they take a lot of seemingly difficult steps out of tax sale investing. However, here's my primary concern with all services such as these. They have zero liability to you should they make some sort of mistake. If information is not pulled correctly from the county, or if it's not inputted correctly onto their tax sale list website, or if it's just plain wrong, then you could be the one stuck holding the cards in the end when you purchase the wrong property and you make a mistake that costs you thousands of dollars. It's your fault, not theirs. My suggestion first and foremost is to learn how to do everything yourself. Don't rely on an uninterested third party to do the work for you. Learn how to access these lists. Learn how to do your own research. Learn how to compile the information yourself. In the long run, it'll make you a much more informed and knowledgeable investor, which will rapidly translate to being much more successful in the tax sale business. And if you absolutely find it necessary to purchase one of these lists, you still must take the time to verify absolutely everything that is on that list before you rely on it for any of your information. Verify everything. But again, I can't stress enough that you must take the time to learn how to properly invest in tax sale properties. There's no easy way out. By leveraging the experience of other investors, there are certainly shortcuts that you can possibly take to get there faster, but there is no room for laziness in the tax sale business. To leverage my experience and to learn about these shortcuts that I just mentioned and the ones that we teach on, head on over to TaxSaleAcademy.com and browse around to get started investing. That's it for today, folks. Hope you've enjoyed my opinion of purchasing tax sale list. Have a wonderful day, folks. Bye-bye.